हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड आफ्टरनून। कैसे हैं? इन माय नेक्स्ट क्लास आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन हाउ टू प्रूव some trigonometrical formula with the help of geometry. Just like as we know that sine alpha plus beta is equal to the sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta, and cos alpha plus beta is equal to the cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. We know all these formula. Sin alpha plus beta is equal to the sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta, and cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Question is this: how to prove it geometrically method? With the help of geometry, how I will prove it? Okay, check the solution. Okay, we will make a rectangle. C, D. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. And yes, if it is alpha and it is beta, everybody know it is 90 degree. Okay, think about if it is alpha, it is 90, it will become 90 minus alpha, it is also 90. So 90 plus 90 minus alpha, it means 180 minus alpha. Subtracted, it will becomes alpha. It will becomes alpha. Think about it is beta, it is 90, and it is 90 minus beta. How to prove it? 90 minus beta, and it is 90, so it is alpha. Think 90 minus alpha, 90 minus, it will come alpha plus beta. Okay, understand? First of all, we will make A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Then after A, B, A, M, here is M. Angle B, A, M equal to the alpha, and angle M, A, N is beta. Okay, you all know the very basic geometry. If it is alpha 90, 90 minus alpha, it is also 90. It will become alpha 90 minus alpha, beta 90, 90 minus beta. Similarly, it will be alpha plus beta. Now, how I can solve it? Consider an equal to the 1. If an equal to 1, an equal to 1, think about AMN. In triangle AMN, sine beta. Sine beta means perpendicular by hypotenuse, means MN by 1. It means MN equal to the sine beta. It will become sine beta. 1 minute, I will wrap. It is not required for better understanding. Okay, and In same triangle I will take cos beta. Cos beta means base am by 1. So am equal to the cos beta. So it comes cos beta. Understand? First I take in triangle AMN sin beta perpendicular hypotenuse, we will get the value of mn. Again we will take cos alpha, we will get am. Okay, understand? We get am cos beta, it is sin beta. Now I will rough it. Okay. Now come to the triangle ABM. In triangle ABM, we will take cos alpha. Cos alpha means base AB by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means cos beta. Means AB equal to cos alpha cos beta. Means AB will become cos alpha cos beta. Now I will take sin alpha. Sin alpha means perpendicular BM by hypotenuse cos beta. So we get BM equal to sin alpha cos beta. It will become sin alpha cos beta. So we get side AB equal to this and BM equal to this. Understand? Now come to the triangle MCN. In triangle MCN, it is alpha. So if we will take sin alpha, so sin alpha means perpendicular, means NC by hypotenuse sin beta. That means NC equal to the sin alpha sin beta. Means it becomes sin alpha sin beta. Now we will take cos alpha. So cos alpha means base by hypotenuse. Base is MC by hypotenuse sin beta. So we will get MC equal to the cos alpha sin beta. It will become cos alpha sin beta. Now last, in triangle ADN. In triangle ADN, first I will rough it. All the values are written here, so I will rough it. There is no requirement. Okay. Come to the next point. In triangle AND. In triangle ADN. D is 90. So we will take sin alpha plus beta. Sin alpha plus beta means perpendicular AD. Hypotenuse 1. So AD equal to the sin alpha plus beta. Means this is AD. AD comes sin alpha plus beta. Now we will take cos alpha plus beta. Cos alpha plus beta means base dn by hypotenuse 1. So dn equal to the cos alpha plus beta. It comes cos alpha plus beta. Okay. Now we find all the sides. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. If A, B, C, D is a rectangle, it means opposite sides are equal. So it means from figure ABCD is a rectangle. If ABCD is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. It means DC equal to the AB. What is the value of DC? Cos alpha plus beta. Cos alpha plus beta plus sin alpha sin beta is equal to the cos alpha cos beta. So we get cos alpha plus beta is equal to the cos alpha cos beta. It's transferred to the right side. So positive sense be negative, sin alpha sin beta. I hope you all understand. Similarly, AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. AD means sin alpha plus beta equal to the sum of opposite side sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha it is the method to prove geometrical method to prove the both formula sin alpha plus beta equal to this cos alpha plus beta equal to this. It is a very easy, prove it. We will make a rectangle and solve it. So please revise it. In my next videos I will explain how to get the value of tan alpha plus beta.